Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new commercial ice makers. This is going to be a 550 pound commercial ice maker. Brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements for this ice machine. And then we'll go ahead and talk about more. Starting with the length. You're looking at 22.5 inches, 22.5. Okay, front to back. You're looking at 32 inches, 32. And the overall height, we're looking at 70 inches of the height. Now, this ice maker has legs that you will be provided with. Also on the front, we have our controls. You can set your temperature. You have your power switch as well on the front. We also have our filter here on the front that you can go ahead and clean out every so often so that it doesn't, get too clogged up in there. And then we have our ladle here in the front. This is our ice bin. This is where all the ice is stored. So it's a pretty big ice bin. Obviously, we have all in one. We got the ice bin. We got the head that makes the ice. Okay, so that's that. We're also going to go ahead and give you the measurement for the head part of this ice machine from front to back. You're looking at 24.5 inches, and the height will be 24.5 inches as well. Okay, so that's going to be the measurement for the head part of this ice machine, and that's going to be a demonstration for the front of this unit. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and show you the side of this unit. On the side is where you can locate all the specs regarding this ice machine, as well as certifications you will be able to locate on the sticker located on the side. Okay, the unit does run on 115 volt, and you can locate your plug on the back. This is a standard US plug. Okay, also on the back we have our connections for the water inlet outlet. Okay, so that's going to be located on the back for this ice maker, and that's going to be demonstration overall for this 550 pound ice maker unit. If you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this model. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.